Hello my dear friends, today I will show you how playing winning the lucky jet game for 1 win. Okay, look, this is my official Telegram channel, my official links, cheat one by cheat ones by group. Okay, you can see the date and time today. Okay, now go to the Google and go to the 1 win website. Okay guys, you can see the official website 1 win, official link. Yes, my balance, live chat, bets history, all bets history. Yes. Okay, now I take my Android phone and start my app Aviator Predictor for 1 win. Okay, and lucky jet games. Okay, look how I play and win. Look here, is the next coefficient. Next coefficient 4.51. Yes, look here. Look how it works. Yes guys, my predictor works. Okay. Place a bet. Next coefficient 5.99. Okay, withdraw. Yes guys, I won. Look at my balance. Okay, place a bet. Next coefficient 3.74. Okay, let's play future. Okay guys, take winnings. Yes, I won. Yes, I won again. Okay, now I'll make the last bet and withdraw my money, my winnings to my Visa card. Okay, take winnings. Yes guys, I won. Yes, okay. Next coefficient is very small. Look here, for example. Yes guys, my predictor works perfect. Okay, you can see my bets history today. Now I take withdraw. My deposit today. Okay, the next I need to enter my personal information of my card. Follow the link in my Telegram. Thanks for watching. See you friends.